Developing creative thinking. Creative thinking is not limited to artistic types. It is a skill that anyone can nurture and develop. You may think of science and engineering as the opposite of art and creativity. That is not true. The field of science, technology, engineering, math, etc. are highly creative. Designing a more efficient assembly line robot, writing an innovative new computer program, or developing a testable hypothesis are highly creative acts. Let us see the need for developing creative thinking. Before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel. Do watch other videos in this channel. Share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. Creative thinking is a skill. It is the ability to consider something in a new way. Creative thinking refers to using abilities and soft skills to come up with new solutions to problems. Creative thinking skills are techniques that is used to look at the issue from different and creative angles, using the right tools to assess it and develop a plan. The focus on creativity and innovation is important because most problems might require approaches that have never been created or tried before. It is a highly valued skill to have individually. After all, the word creativity means a phenomenon where something new is created. For example, you use your creative thinking skills to improvise and create a new dish with the available ingredients. You might decide to make a stir fry with vegetables and chicken, which you can season with spices and sauces that you have on hand. By using your creativity, you can still make a delicious meal for your family, even with limited resources. That is creative thinking. So, creative thinking is a skill, and like any other, it needs constant exercise to stay sharp. You need to regularly expose yourself to situations in which new idea is needed and surround yourself with like-minded people to achieve this goal. Now let's see the benefits of creative thinking. Developing your creative thinking skills is highly beneficial for any field of work, like the ability to create the best solutions to daily demands. By thinking creatively and prioritizing your task, you can find the most efficient ways to accomplish everything on your to-do list while minimizing the stress and maximizing the productivity. Then improvement on problem solving for not only the work related matter but also those in your personal life. By applying your problem solving skill, you can identify the root cause of the problem. Then you can brainstorm potential solutions and implement the best course of action to resolve that issue. Next is higher workplace involvement. Your proactive attitude and willingness to take on additional responsibilities make you an indispensable member of your team. Then a better understanding of information and how to present it. By taking the time to understand things, you can better comprehend the significance of it and apply the new knowledge to your work or in personal life. Then focus on self-improvement. You and your teammates will develop more soft skills. You can increase your self-awareness and confidence, leading to enhanced personal and professional growth. More effective teamwork and bonding. Since people learn each other's creative traits, your effective communication and willingness to support others, it creates a positive work environment and it leads to a stronger team cohesion or bonding and better project outcomes. So these are certain benefits of creative thinking. How to develop this creative thinking skills? First one, consume different kinds of content. Your creative thinking can be heavily benefited if you diversify the kind of content you consume in your daily life. For that, you can make use of the internet's vast selection of content types. Try to visit different blogs, YouTube channels, and social media profiles that you are not used to. Preferably those that deals with topics you do not usually consume. Then engaging with different types of media like text, video, audio, and even more specific ones like the ebooks, podcast, infographics, etc. So, to develop the creative thinking skill, you need to consume different kinds of content. Next is keep up with the trends. Much of your creative thinking can be influenced by the trends that are influencing the market right now and the ones that are coming up in the future. It is also necessary to develop a keen eye to distinguish what has the creative potential. You need to understand how your business segment operates and where the innovation comes from. For example, following the design trends or technology trends can inspire new ideas for projects, and staying up to date on the latest fashion or art trends, it can help you stay current with your personal style and creative expression. Next is try to create something every day. When someone wants to lose weight, they come up with an exercise plan that require daily effort as commitment. The same concept applies to the workout of your creative thinking and technical skills to require it to stay sharp. By making a habit of creating something every day, no matter how small, you can exercise your creative muscles and build momentum for larger projects. For example, sketching a quick drawing or writing a few sentences of a story, it can keep you in a creative mindset and help you develop new ideas. So, try to create something every day. Next is build a network for creativity. Interacting with your peers is a great way to exercise your creativity. It is even better when these people are also creatively oriented. Seek as much as diversity as you can while creating this network because all this variety can be highly beneficial to everyone's ideas. Surrounding yourself with creative people can provide valuable insights, feedback, and support. Joining a creative community or attending events and workshops can help you with the opportunities for collaborating and learning. So, to develop creative thinking skills, you need to build a network for creativity. Let's have a quick recap on what we have learned. In the developing creative thinking part, we have learned that creative thinking is a skill and various benefits of creative thinking and how we can develop these creative thinking skills. Hope you like this video. We'll learn about the barriers to creative thinking in the upcoming video. So, share and subscribe. Thank you and keep smiling.